$6,000 to repair cause of the check engine light on this Porsche Boxster. This Porsche customer came into us because of a check engine light. Well, we did the testing and we actually did a smoke test, which we found that it had evap leak at the fuel sending unit. Of course, we have to replace the fuel sending unit because it's leaking. However, the car's been sitting around for so long and it needed a lot of maintenance. So that $6,000 actually has a major maintenance on it. As you can see, the car's been sitting for too long. You even have a rusted rotors on it. So I would recommend having a car like this, don't let it sit, drive it. Because the more you let it sit, actually things break down. So what do you think?